You know, the NSMQ speed race is all about speed and accuracy. In today's video, I'm going to try and solve the question as fast as I can, and then afterwards I'll break down all the tricks behind the solution. Okay, so let's check it out. Mami, show me glasses, Madam Yonko.
Next set 30 seconds each. Solve for x and y given log to the base 2 of the expression x minus y is equal to 1 and log to the base 4 of the expression 2x plus y is equal to. Okay, go ahead. Yes.
X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4.
Yes.
Boys, nothing. Question you carry. So this is like we will better compete. But essential question here based on the answer no give you we can predict that is log to the base 4, the whole equation will be equal to 2. If that is the case, then it will be 4 squared. Into which your question now what can
log to the base 2 of the expression x minus y is equal to 1.
Or cast a log to the base 2, no actually base 2 not all. And try log in now because a bit waste your time. You don't waste your time writing the question. Just focus your mind to give answer. That's what the speed race is all about. Give answer. So log to the base 2 to the expression x minus y, then you just say 2 is equal to x minus y, and then the logarithm equation is equal to 1. Now the 1 above than an exponent of the log to the base 2 to win 2 power 1. It's like we are solving the question as the question is being read, and then if you are fortunate enough that the question completes, then you'll be able to answer the question before anybody does. But so why you're lucky now Kushia Obi to say Steven from WASSCE or Timmy Che question good Tim Sachi answer the good trimmer. That means in we pokra na on saka answer. So what does it?
And log to the base 4 of the expression 2x plus y is equal to.
Assuming that the other equation got completed, then that would be log to the base 4. No actually 4 no to the expression 2x plus y. No actually 4 is equal to 2x plus y. Into one way equation in said all the logarithm equation is equal to 2. Now the 2 now better than the exponent of the log to the base 4 no. To be 16. Into all kind of question no, now also we'll solve it. This will give you a simultaneous equation where the first one will become 2 is equal to x minus y, and then 4 squared will give you 16 equal to 2x plus y. So if this is equation 1, this is equation 2, and what you do is that you add equation 1 to equation 2. So if you do that, you will have 2 plus 16 will be 18 equal to x plus 2x will be 3x minus y plus y. Y cancels out minus y. So this will give you as x is equal to 6. Once you get the value for x, then you can put it in either equation 1 or 2. I'm going to put the value of x into equation 1. Okay. So equation 1 is 2 is equal to x minus y. 2 is equal to 6 minus y. Therefore, y is equal to 6 minus 2. So y is equal to 4. That's the answers the WASSCE guys gave. The trick here is that you have to memorize the pattern. You have to memorize the question itself and be able to predict an answer, which will be accurate. Okay. So now that we've seen the first calculation, okay, let me take you back a little bit and break down the tricks behind this question, okay, so that in the future you can also predict the question and predict the answer as well. Okay, so the question reads as log to the base 2 x minus y is equal to 1, and the other expression was log to the base 4 2x plus y equal to, like I told you earlier, based on the answers that the WASSCE guys gave, we can predict that the equation will be equal to 2. Anytime you have this type of question, okay, the simple trick is to break these logarithm 2 equations into linear equations, okay? So you have x minus y is equal to 2 power 1, which will give you x minus y is equal to 2, because 2 raised to the power 1 is the same thing as 2. The second equation would then be 2x plus y equal to 4 power 2. That will give you 2x plus y equal to 16, because 4 squared is 16, okay? So these two will be the equations, okay? X minus y is equal to 2, 2x plus y is equal to 16. So for simultaneous equation, okay, we will use the elimination method. So we are going to eliminate the variable y. In that case, we are going to say equation 1 plus equation 2. That will give you x plus 2x will be 3x. Y minus y cancels out, okay, it becomes 0. Then you will have 2 plus 16, which will give you 18. And then to have the value for x, you divide both sides by 3. So you have 3x divided by 3 equal to 18 divided by 3. You get x to be 6. Once you get a value for x, you go straight ahead and put x into either of the equations. So if you choose equation 1, you have x minus y equal to 2. Y will therefore be 6 minus 2. Y will be equal to 4. I hope this video serves as a very good resource to help you prepare for the NSMQ as well as your exams, okay? I always say that practice makes permanent. So believe in yourself. Keep on practicing, and I promise you, you can do this. This is Kokochem Education YouTube channel. I've made so many amazing videos, some in Twi and also some in English. Please do check them out. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe to Kokochem if you've not done so. Until then, see you next time. Bye.
Think, learn,